It's a standoff over health care costs. Northern Light Health is now 5 days away from dropping Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield, claiming the state's largest insurer is trying to lowball them on reimbursement rates.
Yeah, with that contract between the two about to expire, both sides are pointing blame at the other. CBS 13's Brad Rogers joining us live in studio. And Brad, both are also sharing their arguments with their patients.
Yeah, they are. Today, Northern Light Health sent this letter to its patients with Anthem insurance, letting them know that on October 1st, they will be out of network with Anthem for everything but hospital-based services, which would be out of network at the end of the year. This, of course, if no agreement can be reached.
In the letter to patients with Anthem, Northern Light Health tells them Anthem is unwilling to come to the table and work toward a mutually agreeable contract. Meanwhile, Anthem is telling those same patients that Northern Light Health is the one that has walked away from negotiations and abandoned the mediation process. Anthem says while we have more than doubled our initial offer, now up to a 5% increase for commercial business, Northern Light has reduced its demand only slightly, insisting that Mainers and employers increase payments by nearly $200 million over the next 3 years. In response, Northern Light Health says we are shocked by the false claims made by Anthem. We have remained committed to a relationship that would protect patients' access to care across Maine. More than anything, we care about making sure our patients receive the care they deserve. Both arguments boil down to money. Northern Light says without higher reimbursements, they'll be forced to close more facilities and cut more services. And Anthem says if they agree to what Northern Light is asking for, health insurance premiums will skyrocket in Maine. Patients are caught in the middle.
I have Anthem, and my PCP is at Northern Light. And so I went to see the doctor last week because I'm not sure I'll be able to next week.
State Senator Mike Tipping says thousands of Mainers are in the same boat, being forced to pay out of pocket for Northern Light services or finding a new doctor when many aren't accepting new patients.
This really underscores the fragility of our hospitals right now, that they're having these problems, being able to afford continuing these services with certain insurers.
Now, I spoke with several Northern Light patients with Anthem insurance today. Many worry about finding a new doctor, a new insurance, or about their health insurance premiums going up. Katie, we also learned expectant mothers will still be covered under Anthem even after October 1st.
All right, this battle not over. We'll continue to follow it, Brad. Thanks.